Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next lecture from our series and from our course on Pinterest. In this one, I wanted to talk to you about a Pinterest tip or hack, and practically in all this series we will talk about some Pinterest tips and hacks so you can maximize your success with running campaigns and running ads on Pinterest. So in this lecture we will talk about how to use impressive images. Okay. Why is that? Because images are very important for engagement and driving traffic from Pinterest. Okay, so the tip or the hack is to use impressive images with a lot of contrast, because contrast has been statistically one of the factors that drive more engagement on Pinterest, and practically use images that drive engagement and captivates your audience. Now, here are some tips for doing this. Images without faces have up to 23% more repins. So on the other hand, okay, the difference between Pinterest and let's say other social media platforms like Facebook, which is especially created to put an image with your face, okay, for people. On Pinterest, things are a little bit different. So if you don't include an image of yourself, okay, with your face or other type of images, you will get 23% more repins. More repins means more exposure to a different audience, to the audience of your friends, to the friends of your friends, and so on. So much more exposure for you. Now, images with more light perform much better. So try not to use dark images, but try to use images that are created in a light environment, okay? Or if you are using photos, try to use photos the same thing, okay, that are done in a light environment, and so on. Okay, just keep this in mind. Now, images that are 50% saturated have up to 10 times more repins. That is a lot, guys. So keep in mind this, because 10 times more repins means a lot more exposure for you, more than 10 times more exposure, because a lot of people see the image from the repins, and those people will also repin for themselves the image, and so on. So you'll get you will grow your exposure exponentially. So this is very important. Try to have a very saturated image. Now, another thing, images that have a smooth texture are performing much better in terms of repins. So this is again a thing that you want to keep in mind. If you have an image where you are using different types of textures, be sure that you have a smooth one, because you'll get more exposure, more repins. Now, that's about it, guys. Thank you very much for your attention. That was our tip for this lecture. I will see you in our next video with another tip or another hack for Pinterest ads. Thank you very much again for your attention. Sorin here. Bye bye till next time.